10 airport secrets airlines use to trick passengers are hidden in plain sight, and you're about to discover them all. You think you know how airports work? Think again. Every year, airlines pocket billions from unsuspecting travelers using psychological tricks, hidden fees, and downright deceptive practices designed specifically to separate you from your money. We're exposing the 10 most shocking secrets they desperately hope you'll never find out. And the last one will change how you travel forever. Hit that like button and let's dive in. Starting with number 10, the surveillance carpet trap. You're rushing through security, stressed about your flight, when suddenly you notice your pace slowing down. You blame your heavy carry-on, but here's the real culprit: that plush carpet beneath your feet. Airlines and airports use something called cognitive friction, strategically switching from hard tile to soft carpet precisely where they want to control your behavior. This isn't comfort. It's behavioral engineering designed to make you walk slower and become more compliant during security screening. Pro tip: once you know this trick, you can consciously maintain your pace and stay alert to your surroundings, instead of falling into their psychological trap. The science behind this is fascinating. That subtle texture change confuses your brain just enough to alter your walking pattern, making you easier to monitor and process. Next time you shuffle across that luxurious airport hallway, remember you're not just walking, you're being managed by design. And speaking of being managed, number 9, the phantom flight scam. You've witnessed it yourself. Nearly empty planes taking off while yours sits delayed at the gate. Welcome to the world of ghost flights, one of aviation's most wasteful secrets. Airlines routinely fly planes with fewer than 10 passengers, sometimes completely empty, just to maintain their valuable airport time slots. If they don't use these slots, they lose them to competitors forever. Pro tip: this explains why your flight gets canceled last minute while you watch empty planes taxi past your window. Airlines prioritize slot protection over passenger convenience every single time. These phantom flights burn thousands of gallons of fuel and cost airlines millions, but they'd rather waste money than give up prime takeoff times. The environmental impact is staggering, yet it's perfectly legal. A single major airline can operate hundreds of these ghost flights annually, all while charging you change fees and claiming operational efficiency. But that's just the beginning of their slot manipulation games. Number 8. The bathroom stampede setup. You land, everyone rushes off the plane, and there's an immediate stampede to the nearest restroom. Exactly what airlines planned. That first bathroom at arrivals is intentionally the smallest, dirtiest, and most crowded in the terminal. Why? Because chaos creates urgency, and urgent travelers make impulsive purchasing decisions. Pro tip: keep walking past that madhouse. Just 200 feet deeper into the terminal, you'll find spacious, clean, well-stocked restrooms with zero wait time. Airlines studied passenger flow patterns and discovered that travelers who experience immediate post-flight stress are 40% more likely to buy overpriced food and drinks within the first hour of landing. That bathroom bottleneck isn't poor planning. It's psychological manipulation designed to put you in a spending mindset. The stressed, uncomfortable passenger is the profitable passenger. Smart travelers know this secret and avoid the trap entirely. Speaking of traps, wait until you hear about the water fountain con. Number 7. The toxic fountain deception. You clear security, you're thirsty, and that water fountain looks like salvation. Stop right there. Airport water fountains are some of the most bacteria-laden surfaces in the entire terminal. Yet airlines and airports market them as convenient hydration stations. Studies show these fountains go weeks without proper cleaning, accumulating dangerous biofilms and bacteria that would make a gas station bathroom jealous. Pro tip: buy the overpriced bottled water. Yes, it's highway robbery at $4 a bottle, but your immune system is worth more than a few dollars. The truly sinister part? Airports deliberately reduce the number of working fountains and position them in high-traffic, high-contamination areas. They know you'll eventually cave and buy their marked-up beverages. Meanwhile, staff and crew have access to filtered water stations in employee-only areas. They're literally poisoning the well to force your hand. And if you think that's manipulative, wait until you discover the seat assignment shell game. Number 6. The Overbooking Casino. Here's a dirty secret airlines never advertise. They sell more tickets than seats on virtually every flight, treating your confirmed reservation like a lottery ticket. This isn't accidental. It's calculated gambling with your travel plans. Airlines use sophisticated algorithms analyzing years of no-show data to determine exactly how many extra tickets they can sell without getting caught. Pro tip: check in exactly 24 hours before departure and arrive early. The last passengers to check in become the first candidates for involuntary bumping. When everyone shows up, which happens more often than they'd like, someone gets bumped, and it's never the airline executive in first class. The compensation they're legally required to offer is often less than what they made selling that extra seat. A recent study revealed that passengers over 55 are 60% more likely to get bumped because airlines assume you're less likely to cause a social media firestorm. The odds are literally stacked against you from the moment you book. Now, before we reveal the 5 most shocking secrets, I want to thank you for being part of our Passport Pro family. The airlines don't want you to know these insider tricks, but together we're leveling the playing field. If this information is already saving you money and stress, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. The final 5 secrets coming up are absolute game changers that even seasoned travelers don't know. Let's keep exposing these industry tricks together. Number 5. The Luggage Auction Betrayal. Your checked bag disappears into the airport's belly and you assume it's heading straight to your plane. Plot twist: it might end up at an auction house. Airlines have secret deals with liquidation companies to sell unclaimed luggage after just 90 days. No one calls you, no one opens the bags to find your contact information. They just sell your belongings to the highest bidder. Pro tip: always pack a business card in multiple locations throughout your luggage and use bright, distinctive luggage tags that are harder to lose. These luggage auctions are billion-dollar businesses where your grandmother's jewelry or expensive electronics becomes someone else's treasure hunt. The most infuriating part? Airlines often have your contact information, but claim they couldn't reach you after minimal effort. Some auction houses specifically target designer luggage, electronics, and business equipment because they know travelers pack valuables. Your lost luggage becomes their profit center, and that's exactly how they like it. Number 4. The Lounge Access Lie. Airlines want you to believe airport lounges are exclusive clubs for the wealthy and frequent flyers. That's complete nonsense designed to keep you suffering in noisy gate areas while they charge premium prices for basic comfort. The truth? Most lounges offer day passes for $25 to $50, and many credit cards, including ones with no annual fee, provide free access. Pro tip: download the Lounge Buddy app before traveling. It shows real-time availability, pricing, and access options for every lounge in the airport. I've watched hundreds of travelers 55 plus sitting uncomfortably by gates, buying $6 airport coffee, while empty lounge seats with free food and drinks sit unused just steps away. Airlines deliberately hide lounge access options because they make more money when you're uncomfortable and buying overpriced terminal concessions. Some lounges are practically empty during off-peak hours, yet airline staff will never mention day passes at check-in. They profit from your ignorance, so stay informed. Number 3. The Early Arrival Illusion. Ladies and gentlemen, we've arrived 15 minutes early. Sounds like great news, right? Wrong. You've been played by one of aviation's oldest psychological tricks: padded flight times. Airlines artificially inflate their schedules by 15 to 45 minutes, so even delayed flights appear on time, and early arrivals look like miraculous efficiency. Pro tip: check historical flight data on FlightAware before booking. You'll see the real average flight times versus the published schedule padding. This deception serves multiple purposes. It makes their on-time performance statistics look stellar, reduces passenger complaints about delays, and creates false goodwill when you land early. Meanwhile, you're sitting on the tarmac for 20 minutes waiting for a gate because the airport wasn't actually expecting you yet. The most insulting part? They'll use these fabricated early arrivals in marketing campaigns to justify higher prices for reliable service. It's pure theater, and you're the unwitting audience. But wait until you hear about the sleeping pilot protocol. Number 2. The sleeping pilot secret. At 35,000 feet, everything seems calm in the cockpit, but here's what airlines never tell you. Your pilot might be sound asleep, and it's completely legal. On long-haul flights, airlines use controlled rest protocols, where pilots take turns sleeping in hidden crew quarters or reclining seats while autopilot handles the flying. The scary part isn't that they sleep, it's that they don't tell passengers. Pro tip: this is actually safer than exhausted pilots fighting fatigue. Well-rested pilots make better decisions during critical phases like landing and weather emergencies. Airlines hide this because they know passengers would panic, even though pilot fatigue causes more accidents than controlled rest. The Federal Aviation Administration requires these rest periods on flights over 8 hours, but airlines market it as continuous pilot monitoring instead of your captain is napping. Some planes have secret crew rest areas above the cabin that passengers never see. It's transparency they avoid because fear sells tickets better than facts. Number 1. The TSA theater performance. Here's the most shocking secret of all. Most TSA security measures are elaborate theater designed to make you feel safe rather than actually improve safety. Internal government tests consistently show TSA agents miss 70 to 95% of prohibited items during surprise audits. Those expensive body scanners, they can't detect many explosive materials. The shoe removal ritual? Based on one failed attack from 2001 with outdated bomb technology. Pro tip: the real security happens behind the scenes through federal air marshals, reinforced cockpit doors, and intelligence gathering, not the visible checkpoint drama. The TSA's own data reveals that their most effective security measure is simply having armed law enforcement visible in terminals, not the elaborate screening process that wastes billions annually. Airlines support this security theater because it shifts responsibility away from them while creating the illusion of comprehensive protection. You're not safer because of the long lines and inconvenient procedures. You just think you are. The greatest trick airlines ever pulled was making you believe inconvenience equals security. There you have it. 10 shocking secrets airlines hoped you'd never discover. Now you're armed with insider knowledge that puts you back in control. Use these secrets to travel smarter, save money, and avoid their psychological traps. Which of these secrets shocked you the most? Drop a comment and let our Passport Pro community know which hack you'll try first. And if you're ready to discover even more travel secrets they don't want you to know, our next video exposes the hidden fees airlines use to triple your ticket price after checkout. Thanks for flying smarter with Passport Pro, safe travels, and keep fighting the good fight.